opsomming in Afrikaans. You are never gonna use a highlighter or a pen or a pencil as much as you do when it's an opsomming. So it's a summary. Hulle weet, 'n opsomming is ons vat die en ons maak dit kleiner. We're taking our information and we're making it smaller. But we still need to make sure that we have all the information that we need. So, lucky for us, they already started it. Kleurvolle papier is, so you're going to say, jy het, again, I'm going to read this. Jy het kleurpapier nodig om 'n hoed te maak. Dit sou die hoofkleur van jou partytjie wees. Okay. Jy het kleurvolle papier is nodig om jou hoed te maak. Because dit sal jou hoofkleur wees van jou partytjie hoed. That's not very important if you look at this. Kleurpapier is nodig om jou hoedjie te maak. Check right there. At the bottom it says spelling and punctuation, so I make sure full stop. Teken 'n groot sirkel om die papier te knip en dit uit te sny met 'n skerp. Maak seker die sirkel is groot genoeg om jou kop te pas. Kyk, teken 'n groot sirkel. It starts with tekenen. I need groot sirkel om die papier aan die papier en knip dit uit. Yeah, I'm not going to have to say with a scare because with what else is it going to be? So I'm going to say teken 'n groot sirkel en knip dit uit. And my full stop. Next one. Knip op die lyn. So we go. Teken 'n reguit lyn van die middelpunt aan die sirkel na die kant toe. Knip op die lyn met 'n skerp, moenie deur die hele sirkel sny nie. I'm looking. It says knip op die lyn. Knip op die lyn. It needs to go to the middle. Ja. Knip op die lyn na die middel. Full stop. Vou die punte oor mekaar om 'n kegel te vorm. I've read this again, pons 2 keer. I'm reading this again. Okay, okay, I'm guessing kegel form is very important because we know what we need to fold. Krom na die partytjie mekaar, 'n krambinder, okay. Pons 2 klein sirkeltjies aan weerskante van die hoed met 'n gaatjie ponser. Okay. If I'm looking again, bind them mekaar. Okay, we are folding it together, né? Cram it together, meaning staple it. Cirkel, en weerskant van die hoed. Gaatjie pons hier reggie. Pons 2. So now I know. So now I have all my information information, because saying weerskante and cirkeltjies, those are not giving me my main idea of what's going on in this little paragraph. So, vou 'n kegel, vorm en kram, we had to word kram there, and kram die punte saam en pons 2 gate in. Okay. Sorry for that. It's clearly I write a little too big. And our last one, versier. Versier, we know, always means to decorate. So, versier jou partytjie hoed met goed soos plakkers, glinsterpapier, verf, pompoms en vele meer. Okay. I don't think they're going to care what I'm going to use here. Nee? They just want me to versier jou partytjie hoed. They don't mind how, as long as I do it. Partytjie hoed. Like I want to, né? Soos jy wil. Small, finished, done. 5 marks. All I did was take out all the information that's not necessary, that's not a must for me to know, all our additional words, and I took all our main words out en ek het hulle neergeskryf en my opsomming is klaar.